Are you guys ready to do an art project? I know that I am because I miss doing art projects. You're going to need a glue stick, is going to probably work the best. You might need a stapler. We'll figure this out together. I really cannot breathe today without choking. You're going to need this black piece of paper with a pot on it. I've already cut mine out. If you have not cut yours out, you're going to need to cut yours out, but you're also going to need this page, and you're going to want to cut the 2 rows of circles out that are full circles. The half row of circles you don't need to cut out. So if you don't have your circles cut out, go ahead, pause the video and do that. And then you're also going to need the strips of paper. All right? So you go ahead and pause your video, and then I will meet you right back here. All right, do you have all of your pieces cut out? This, to me, I'm trying to decide if it looks like a St. Patrick's Day pot of gold. To me, I think it looks a little bit like a fishbowl, but that's okay. The first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to get mad at my document camera because it won't stay focused. Is we're going to use our glue stick and we're going to glue our gold coins on the top of our pot. I keep wanting to call it a bowl. It is a pot of gold. So you guys can do this however you want. You can just do one straight line. You can have them go up in a little mound. However you want your gold coins to go is how you can glue them on, okay? So maybe I would make mine go a little like this. Will that work? Might glue it to the table a little bit, or a lot of it. Okay, so you glue your coins, okay? Now, the next thing, you can go ahead, pause, finish gluing your coins down, okay? The next thing that we're going to do is, well, truth be told, this is the first time that I've done it, so I don't know if I want to start with the first one. I feel like it would be easier to make our chain and then hook it. So I'm going to push my pot away after you got all of your gold coins glued. So if you need to finish gluing down your coins, pause the video, glue those down, set it aside, and then we're going to need our strips of paper. You don't have to follow the pattern that I'm going to do, but I'm going to do it in the way that the rainbow goes. So it goes red, yellow, orange, right? No, I was right the first time. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Whew. Roy G. Biv. Yes. That's how I remember how the rainbow goes, and trust me, I have to say Roy G. Biv every time I do the rainbow. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put glue just on this end of this strip. Okay. And then I'm going to take this other end and I'm going to loop it up so it is a circle. I'll put it like this so you can see, okay? It is a circle. This next part is where it's going to get tricky, and you got to make sure that we loop it through, okay? I'm going to put glue on this part first. I'll see which way is the easiest way to do this. Okay, I have glue on there. This orange piece has to come through this red piece, so watch. Sticking it through the middle, then I'm looping it and dropping it. And that's okay if you drop it. Okay? So now I have my 2 rings, but they're hooked together. They're both circles, but they're also hooked together. Okay? Now I'm going to do my yellow one. Same thing. because I don't know how I would put glue on it if it's already through. So here, I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to stick my yellow through, and then I'm going to fold it over. That actually worked a little bit better. It works for this one because this one's up, but this one's going to be flat. So now I have my 3 rings, and they're all connected. Okay? Green is my next one. If you need to slow down or pause, you can. I'm bringing it up through the top, or up through the bottom to the top, and looping it around. If you need a pause to do any of the colors, you can do that, okay? I'm just going to go through and finish these last 2, and then once we have our rings, we're just going to figure out how to hook them to our pots. I feel like the pot might be a little big, but we learn, right? And we'll make it better. Alright, flip this through. Make sure I'm recording. This weekend I was recording forever and I ran out of time and then I wasn't recording. That was fun. Alright, so here's my links. They're all connected. I feel like I did that quickly. If you need a pause, absolutely 110% pause. Okay? Great part about doing it. We work at our own pace. Okay. You probably have gold coins going all the way across your thingy-mabob, your pot, because that's what I asked you to do. We have to connect this bottom ring. Again, it doesn't matter what color is your bottom. My bottom is purple. Okay, if you did your bottom green, or if you did it the same way but you want your bottom to be red. It does not matter what color they go. Okay, we're going to connect this. Now, I thought about this all weekend. I really don't think that glue is going to hold it. My goal for these, if we were in the classroom, would be to hang them from the ceiling. And I don't think that if we hung them, that the pot would stay hooked to the ring with glue. So if you're not hanging it, maybe glue would work for you. But if you have a stapler, I think that stapling it is probably going to be the best way. So, you can't see what I'm doing. I'm holding my purple one over the pot, and I'm trying to move the other ones out of the way. And then I'm going to maneuver my stapler in here. You might need an adult help for this, possibly. Holy moly, my stapler worked the first time. That never happens. My stapler does not like to work. And then, how do I make me bigger? And then you have a pot of gold at the end of your rainbow. You can hang it up somewhere if that's okay, maybe on a window, then it doesn't hurt any paint or anything, or whatever you want to do with it. But you have your very own pot of gold at the end of your rainbow for St. Patrick's Day and all things rainbow and gold and fun. And I hope that you had fun making this project. It didn't take nearly as long as I thought it would, but I still hope that you had fun and have a great day.